Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from us Espresso Machines. You want to check us out on Instagram or other social media. We upload stuff about machines and coffee. So today we're going to be talking about the Marzocco GS3 AV. This machine was brought to us with some problem for steam. You can see that we have plenty of steam pressure over here. Main issue was that vacuum valve was not building pressure, and it was just, it had a few issues. I think, for my opinion, not only the steam was an issue, and we took care of that part of the yearly PM. It also, the customer upgraded to the new IoT, so you can connect it to the phone and the app, but they didn't have the new pad. So I just want to show you, I have the new one here and the old one. This layout will actually move. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Can you see it? Yep, you can see it. All right, so this is the old one. This is the new one. And basically they moved the on-off button over here. And the reason is that because it's also function as the hot water tap, some people got burned while trying to press this, meaning that they want to turn it on or standby mode, and then you have hot water dispensing from here. So that's one of the main reasons they updated the layout. And then I think another major issue that we found out is if you test the amount of water, the grams, per 30 seconds, you can know the flow rate. And Marzocco basically say this machine is using a 0.6 jiggler or flow restrictor, if you may. So the water that go through, it's going to be about 250 grams per 30 seconds. And part of the tests we're doing is we're testing the flow rate, pump pressure, and all that. And it was like 120. So it's almost 130 grams below, almost half of what it's supposed to be. And it's only a matter of time until it's going to be completely clogged. So basically open the top, and I have a new one here. Let's see. So it's basically positioned this way. Okay. And this is the flow restrictor. It's kind of hard to see, but it's very, very small. It's ruby. And then you have the water go through here, through the solenoid valve on the back, and then to the front, and then to the shower screen and the other diffuser. So now, this is, it's working well. We have a very nice shower, and it's actually on 250, right on point. So that's very good to know that we have the proper flow so we can extract our espresso. Let's pull a shot, and hopefully it's gonna be nice. If not, don't hate me. I'm making all these videos for the customers, and it's not about pulling amazing shots. It's more about showing the customer the machine is working, also you at home, that you can learn a thing or two about this machine if you have one, or you just want to know more about espresso machines. So we have a cool shot. We're at 9 bars. Take a look. Looking good so far. 15 seconds. To be honest, I didn't even weigh the amount of grams, but I'm not gonna drink it, so. Good stuff. Boom. Let's stop over here. It's about 2 ounces, 31 seconds. Look a little light. But altogether, I'm happy. So, thank you for watching, and please comment below if you have any questions about this machine or any other machine. Make sure to check us on Instagram. And yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you for repairing, and have a good day.